Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to do a review on a new program that's just launching. It's called Meme Secrets, and it's all about being able to monetize your brand, your business, using and leveraging memes, believe it or not. Most people, they go through their day sharing memes themselves or sharing memes from somebody else and engaging, with memes. So I want to show you guys first an example that memes really work. And I'm laughing because I realize that we use memes every single day, but can you actually use them in your marketing? And a guy that I just recently met named David, he has a program called Meme Secrets, which probably led you here. And he's been able to build a highly successful business and brand using and leveraging the power of memes. So let me jump into my computer right now and show you the power of memes and the traction, the engagement that memes get, and how you can actually use memes inside of your business. So here I am on the Facebook page, Memes. And if you go to memes.com, you'll be able to see tons and tons of different memes. But just to show you the example of using memes specifically on Facebook. So the vehicle that we would want to use to get more traffic, leads, and sales into our business using and leveraging this memes methodology would be, of course, Facebook. So if we scroll down here, you can see tons and tons of different memes. Like here's one right here. This has over 200 likes. It has 16 comments. It has 49 shares. And for those of you guys that don't know what a meme is, it's just an image that's humorous with some text. Okay. So as we continue to scroll here, you can see another one right here. Your heel watching you buy more face skincare products. 2.3 thousand likes, 331 comments, 490 shares. And this could be 2.3 thousand, not just likes, but just reactions in general, right? So that just goes to show you the power of memes. And if you go to any of your friends like Facebook wall and they have a good meme, you'll see that it's most likely getting a lot of really, really good engagement. And so what you could do is you can leverage these memes to get engagement for particular Facebook posts. And then when you release a new Facebook post, what the algorithm does is it takes the data from previous Facebook posts and base your reach for your current Facebook post based off of your previous posts. So if a lot of people engaged with your previous posts, then the new post that you make, those same people will most likely see that post. So if that post is a post about business and a specific product that you're promoting, then you can use that strategically, use memes strategically to get more traffic to that post that's actually selling stuff. So the methodology would work something like this. You might have like 3 posts that are all memes. All these posts get tons and tons of engagement. And then after that, you have one post that's like a business related post that's related to an affiliate product you might be promoting or one of your own products. And you'll see a lot of people that engage with your memes now actually seeing that business post and seeing that call to action or whatever product or service that you're promoting. So that's really how you use memes strategically. So it works something like meme. That sounds funny. Meme. Then a business post. Meme. Facebook business post. And you could repeat that cycle. And then you can go like meme, Facebook business post, or maybe 2 Facebook business posts, and just mix it up. Now, I'm not sure how many posts of like memes that, or posts in general, that Facebook looks at to determine how much a future post will reach your audience. Because we know that if you have an audience of 5,000 people and you make a post on Facebook, that obviously that post isn't going to reach all 5,000 people. That's why they have Facebook ads and they want you to pay for it, right? But if we do create some sort of engagement with previous posts, that will increase the reach of our audience. Then when we make our future posts, then those future posts will get a lot more reach. So that's kind of the methodology behind Meme Secrets And that's kind of my theory behind it, because we are still in pre-launch. I'd log into the members area, but there's no content yet because this is a C launch. At the end of today, David will have some of the course actually up. Once it's all up, I'll go through it, give you guys an in-depth review. But he does a really good job in his webinar and just his sales video of explaining the power of memes and how you can use that in your business. And so theoretically, I'm thinking this is what he's going to be teaching, is to create memes for engagement and then eventually post whatever your product or your service is, or a post about it, to get people into your funnels and into your programs by previously, of course, leveraging memes. So he got more here. This is in relation to a specific movie called Space Jam. You've got 1.9, reactions here, 1.9 thousand, 171 comments, 220 shares. You've got another one right here, 30 comments, 32 shares. Another one here, 6.4 thousand. So you guys get the idea. So we can use these to create a lot of engagement, and then, create engagement for our future posts that relate to whatever product or service that it is that we're promoting. And it's best to use memes that can relate to whatever it is that you're selling, that kind of wrap or tie into whatever it is that you're selling. So maybe memes from the TV show The Office. You can use those memes on specific business posts to still increase engagement and make it fun, but also have text where at the bottom of your post, you've got a story or you've got something, and then at the bottom of your post, you have a call to action going to like one of your funnels. So what you want to do is really hide the offer within the Facebook post. So when people look at it, they see a meme, right? And then they see your text about some story, and then they have to engage and click see more to go to the bottom to actually see your call to action, to see that you're actually selling something. And a lot of times, if you do it correctly, you'll get people to click over and they won't even know that you're selling something. So you can do it in a very, very standoffish way. And I've seen a lot of people do this. So the meme business post methodology doesn't mean that the business post doesn't have to have a meme, because it can also have a meme as well. But you want to make sure that with Facebook, you're creating engagement, you're telling some sort of story. And at the very bottom of the post, you can lead people to a link, which does decrease engagement. But if you want to increase engagement, then make people comment, like, in the comments area below, to receive whatever it is that you're offering. Okay. So there's multiple ways that you can do it. Hopefully this video provided some value on how you can use memes and just increase engagement on Facebook in general. If you want to check out Meme Secrets, I recommend that you check it out. You can click the link below this video to check it out. And also, if you want to become an affiliate at the time of the creation of this video, you don't have to pay a recurring fee right now if you get in, number one. And number two, it actually pays on 3 tiers. So I've only sent a small amount of traffic right here, and I've already got $765 in earnings from promoting Meme Secrets. So not only can you consume it to use it in your marketing to get more traffic, leads, and sales, but you can become an affiliate, get paid on 3 tiers, which means you can recruit other affiliates, and you don't have to worry about that monthly fee. You just pay one time, and that is it. Right here, right now, you have the rest of today to get that locked in. But if you're watching this video later, that's completely fine. I still recommend that you check out Meme Secrets, because regardless if you're doing affiliate marketing, network marketing, any sort of business that you have, memes will definitely help you grow your business. So click the link below to go ahead and check out Meme Secrets in the description. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, by the way, if you haven't already, because I'm uploading content very frequently, teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And don't forget to tick that bell icon. Please tick that bell icon, because it will be notified, or it will help you get notified of when I upload future videos. If you don't tick that bell, you will not be notified. So make sure that you do that. We will see you guys in the next video. Take care.